So hello friend, good morning. So today we discuss here rectangle. Okay. So first we make rectangle figure 1, then understand rectangle. We discuss here rhombus, then now we discuss here rectangle. So first say in rectangle, understand rectangle make equiangular in all sides. So equiangular, that means equal angle. Okay. So make one rectangle. Okay. Make all angle x degree. So we easily understand rectangle and parallelogram different. So summation of all angle in rectangle is equals to 360 degrees. So here written summation of all angle in rectangle is equals to 360 degree. Okay. So here x plus ax plus ax plus x, that is 360 degree. Okay. That means 4x. X, that means 4x is equals to 360 degree. So from here x is equals to 360 divided by 4, that is 90 degree. So x is equals to 90 degree. Okay. So that means x make 90 degree in all sides. So here 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. Okay. So rectangle make equal angle in all sides, but in parallelogram not make angle equal angle like 90 degree. In parallelogram not any angle make 90 degree. In rectangle all angle make 90 degree. Okay. So here we understand one difference. So first write, then understand property of rectangle. So now you understand here property of rectangle. So here property what say? You sign your book. In your book written property is equals to property say the diagonal of the diagonal of a rectangle are equal length. That means you understand. In figure would say we diagonal first make by dotted line diagonal. Okay, by dotted line diagonal. Okay. So here say given name A B C D. Okay. Then different by diagonal like A D B and A C B. Okay. So here different by diagonal. So make two triangle. So first triangle make is like this. So here name is A B C and one triangle make is A D B. A D B. Okay. So what we do here? So here written angle ABC, triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADB. Okay. A triangle ABD. So from here we saw AB are common in both. So here written we can written AB is equals to AB. Common in both. Okay. Common in both. So from here we find BC is equals to BD. Understand? BC is equals to BD in rectangle. Now we find the congruency same. Congruency same like first then make we make triangle ABC. So here ADB. Okay, ADB. ACB. So by congruency we can we also find AC is equals to, so here written by congruency we find ABC. BC is equals to AC is equals to AC is equals to BD. Okay, AC is equals to BD. That means in rectangle there are both diagonal also equal, or in parallelogram diagonal not equal. In parallelogram like first we make figure then understand. In parallelogram like, so in parallelogram diagonal are not equal. Here whose intersection point O, from this point it's equal. Okay. So whole diagonal are not equal to in parallelogram. Whole diagonal are equal in rectangle. Okay, so difference here. We can understand difference here. So first write, then we understand question on the basis of this. Okay, so understand first. So now we understand question one by one. So here I remove this. So now we understand question. So here one question given example 8. Example 8, first we understand example 8. So what's example 8? RENT is rectangle, okay? So here we draw RENT according to this figure. So RENT. So here say RENT. That very important. What figure? What say? RENT is rectangle. Is a rectangle. Okay. So then say in diagonal meet at O. So here say diagonal meet at O. Okay. Then say find X if OR. So X say find if OR. OR is equals to 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4 and OT. OT is equals to 3x plus 1. Okay. So now here we find x value. So what we written here? Yes. So we know understand in rectangle there are diagonals. That means NR is equals to ET. Diagonal also here you can written diagonal are equal in rectangle. Okay. So if whole diagonal equal, then we can say half diagonal also equal. So here given OR is equals 2x plus 4, OT is equals 3x plus 1. So here written if whole diagonal are equal, if whole diagonal are equal, that means half diagonal are also equal. Half diagonal are also equal. Okay. It's very important. You can write in sentence, then after you solve. Then diagonal are also equal. So what we written here? Half diagonal is OR. OR is equals to OT. Okay. OR is equals to OT. So here written we can written 2x plus 4 is equals to 3x plus 1. So in previous video we understand how this solve. First take variable at one side. So here 2x. So here 4. So we can written constant here. So 4 minus 1. 3x is variable. So take a variable this side. So 2x. So what value come? 3x minus 2x is equals to x. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Okay. So here x value is equals to 3. So first write. Then understand another property, square. Okay, now we understand next property. We understand rhombus, we understand parallelogram, we understand rectangle, now we understand square. Okay, so now we saw square property, all things. So here you can written square. Square what say? First you saw what say property. So say a square is a rectangle with equal sides. That means square is also a rectangle type. Okay. So a rectangle figure is this like. So say square is also rectangle with equal sides. In rectangle, this side are parallel. That means this side are parallel of this side, and this side is parallel of this side. But in square, there are four sides are equal. So this side, this side, this side, this side, all sides are equal. Okay. So here said this means a square has all the property of rectangle with an additional requirement that all the side have equal length. Okay. So says ki rectangle hold all property of square. Only one thing is extra. What? Ki in square all side are equal. In rectangle two side are equal. So that is extra point in square. So the square like a rectangle has diagonal of equal length. Say square is also like a rectangle whose shows diagonal are equal in both sides. So in a rectangle there is no requirement for diagonal to perpendicular to one another. So here we can here draw one figure. So one figure first draw of square. So understand that square. Okay, all sides are equal. So here make angle 90 degree, same as rectangle. So here angle L, here T, here B, and here E. So here cut O. Okay. So here written BELT is square. BELT is square. In square, BE is equals to EL is equals to TL is equals to BE is equals to TB. Okay, BT. So that means all side have equal side. So then written ki angle B, angle E, angle B, angle E, angle L, angle T have right angle. R right angle. Right angle. Okay. So then also written BL is equals to ET. That is diagonal. BL is equals to ET. And BL is perpendicular to ET. BL is perpendicular to ET. So OB is equals to OL. We can write here OB is equals to OL, half diagonal. Okay, OB is equals to OL and OE is equals to OT. So here understand all property. So in square the diagonal bisect one another. Says ki in square a diagonal bisect one another are of equal length. Say are of equal length. We understand previous are perpendicular to one. That means are perpendicular to one another. So first we understand property. Property what say in diagonal. So property says the diagonal of a square. The diagonal of a square are perpendicular bisect each other. Okay, so here perpendicular bisect each other. We discussed earlier also. So first try then understand what's the property. So some extra point I want to here discuss. So what extra point? Square same as like a rhombus. Okay, square same as like rhombus. Only one thing you can write reverse also. Okay, rhombus also equal to always equals to square. That means all rhombus have square. Only one extra point in square. In rhombus there are also four sides equal. In square also four sides are equal. Only one extra point in rhombus not diagonal equal to one another. Okay, because not bisect at perpendicular 90 degree. In the square there are 90 degree. So diagonal have equal. So one extra point here. Same as difference parallelogram and rectangle also. So here one by one discuss in exercise. First you understand in example. So now you understand next thing. So here written one make square figure, then at the same rectangle side we differentiate two triangle. So here written A, B, C, D. Okay, diagonal are two. O. So here written O point. Okay. So what written ABCD is square whose diagonal meet at O. That means ABCD is square. ABCD is square. Square at and diagonal meet at O point. Okay, so what is written here? Triangle AOD congruent to AOD congruent to triangle BOC. Triangle BOC. Okay, AOD and COD. Okay, so here make any triangle are equal to all triangles. This angle being a linear, each triangle is make is right angle. So here say each make is right angle. Okay, in your book say diagonal, here we write here side. Okay, right angle. You can also write here COD. That means here D. Okay, COD. Here says diagonal property. I write side property. So here we write here B, but here D in diagonal. So right now we understand exercise. So now you understand exercise. Whose exercise? 4.3. So one by one we understand all things. So first we saw previous video, now then you understand all things. Whose property take here. So in the first example understand, then you understand exercise. So here not example, here exercise. So what write in first question? State true or false. So true or false. Say true or false. So what written here first question is all rectangle are square. All rectangle are square. So that is question. So now you understand by figure how is not equal or equal. So first we make a rectangle. Okay, so first we make rectangle, then we make square. So say all rectangle are square. So here we can see easily difference. In rectangle there are two sides are parallel. In square there are four sides are equal. So here you can say this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. And in square there are four sides. Okay, so you saw easily here all rectangle are not square. So here how we written all rectangle are not square. So here written in square. So in rectangle, in question give rectangle, then in rectangle rectangle there are opposite side are equal. Okay, opposite side are equal, but in square all side have equal. So so not possible this. So not possible. That means here is given is false. Okay. So understand how is not rectangle is equals to square. So here we understand easily all rectangle are not square. Okay. So here you definitely write reason. Okay. That's very important. If you write only false, that means it's not correct answer. So first you write their reason. How is not now? How is not possible? Ki who's first say there are whose reason? What reason is not possible? So we understand first question. Then now understand second question. So second question what say? Second question say all kite are rhombus. All kite are rhombus. नहीं second question all rhombus are all rhombus are parallelogram. Okay, so here first we draw rhombus, then we saw parallelogram. So in rhombus what we can draw here? All side are parallel, only diagonal not bisect each other, not equal. So in parallelogram same property also. So here we can say here all side are equal. Here two sides are parallel to each other. So what we say here? Diagonal also satisfaction with parallelogram. So in rhombus there are all sides have equal. In parallelogram opposite side have equal. So here understand in rhombus all sides have equal. In parallelogram opposite side have equal. Doesn't matter opposite side have equal. Doesn't matter all equal or opposite side equal. Okay, so here you can understand here this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. That property of parallelogram demand. Doesn't matter all side have equal. So we can say that here property. So opposite side have equal. So that means this is possible. All rhombus have parallelogram. So here true. Okay, understand difference or not? One thing you understand in here only. Okay, diagonal are also bisect each other. Diagonal equal to this diagonal. Only one thing are rhombus and parallelogram are different. There are four sides. Reverse are not true because reverse says our parallelogram are rhombus not true because in rhombus there are opposite side have equal. In parallelogram opposite side have equal. In rhombus there are all side have equal. Okay, so reverse is not true. But only true rhombus are parallelogram because in parallelogram satisfaction of opposite side have equal. Who's follow in rhombus? So first write, then understand next question. Now last question we discuss here. See given all square are rhombus and also rectangle. So last question discuss here. Okay. After this we discuss in next video. So see say all square are rhombus and also rectangle. Okay, now you understand easily. So first what we do, make square figure, then rhombus, then rectangle. Not mandatory you draw figure in your book. Okay, only write your reason also. Doesn't matter you draw figure by figure, you understand or not, you draw only, you write only reason. So what we written here? First make square figure, okay? Then rhombus. I draw only for you understand, not mandatory you draw. Only you can show only reason. So what we write here? In square there are have all side are equal. In rhombus there are all side equal. But doesn't matter all side have equal or parallel to each other. Only rectangle property says कि opposite side have parallel. So in square also so property opposite side have parallel. So that means follow rectangle. Okay. Rhombus also follow. Now we draw in diagonal. Diagonal same as a rectangle. So rectangle follow. But in rhombus not doesn't matter. It says bisect each other. That means this equal to this. So in square also. So if cut O at O, then this angle half angle is equal to half angle. So in rhombus also half angle. So what we write here? Reason कि it's possible here because in rhombus all side have equal and diagonal bisect each other. Okay. Now in rectangle also possible. What possible? Opposite side have parallel to each other. Okay, parallel to each other. That means it's also false. So that is true statement. Okay, doesn't matter you understand. You draw figure in your copy. You write only reason, then understand. Okay. So you first you write, then I finish this class. My writing is not good, I understand, but you understand what I write. Okay. If you not understand, then please you write in my comment box. Then I understand. Okay. So thank you, and you saw all video. Okay. So thanks for watching.